Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. Is another day and we are here to bring the best of short haircuts to you. One thing I want you guys to know is that not everyone really wants long hair. Short natural hair is just as beautiful. And one thing with this style today is that it's a super cool hair. And you should have this at the back of your mind for those that are going for those pageants. Sometimes you need to know that you don't really need those flowing long hair to win the crown. So if you really don't like spending too much time on your hair, today's haircut will really help you be out the door in no time in the morning. It's a wash and go style, and one thing about the style is there's something good about short hairstyle because it will never go out of style. You can see the style is beautiful and it's lovely. You can always achieve this hair using the right kit. Like the MIELLE will always give you those defined colors, and you can get it in the market. Like it comes with the leave-in conditioner, it comes with the moisturizer, it comes with the mousse, and other products you want on your hair. So you really don't need to relax your hair to get this silky bouncing stresses, because this kind of hairstyle with a white product like the MIELLE, or will I say the cow's daughter, you can have this kind of hair last up to 2 weeks if it is really done properly. So just make sure you prep your hair first by always deep conditioning and using plenty of heat protectant. So take a good look on this hair. It's so lovely, it's so beautiful, and it's another low manipulation style that is perfect for work, for the beautiful matured women. You want to go for the gym, this kind of hairstyle is also good. And you want to go for those formal occasions or the red carpet event, is a go for too. And maybe those sparkling berries, some metallic bobbing pins, instantly will glam up the simple style without even adding tension to your hairline or strands. So someday it's just hard to find the energy to do your hair. So throwing your hair into those beautiful styles, we always make you look chic, and it's easy, and always will protect those delicate edges. And one thing with them is that they are the most versatile style. Don't forget to always use those moisturizing gel to always achieve this beautiful shine on your hair. So with this in mind, I will let you guys to please watch this video to the end. Let me know your minds on how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Still look to Wendy Styles, and see you guys in my next video.
I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matters. You are